In this video, I'm going to show you how to text with characters inside Poly.AI. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up your Poly.AI app on your mobile device as you normally would. And now from here on the home page, you got all these different people you can chat with. So if we scroll down, if any one of these people you can send a message to, so you can talk to Donald Trump here, Elon Musk, we've got Ye Ming, got all these different characters here. Or you can click on the search button and you can find certain people. So for example, if I click in the search, if I want to speak to Kobe Bryant, I can. Remember, this is fictional, so I spell his name right, Kobe Bryant. So there you go. Here I can speak to Kobe Bryant if I want to. And now in order to speak to any characters, you've got message Kobe down below here. So you just say, hey, and then obviously they'll reply. And now while you're chatting to them, they got this little where it says message, you got this little plus with a bubble. If you click into that, you can buy coins here. Or if you don't want to buy coins, you can watch ads that will give you more coins as well. And when you click out of it, you also can sometimes get coupons as well to get 49% off. So keep that in mind. This might help you.